As 2024 comes to a close, the way we grow food is at a turning point. We need to find ways to farm that are good for the environment and good for people. We have to grow more food than ever before, but use less land and water. It's a big challenge, but we can do it by finding smart new ways to farm. Imagine farms that use robots and computers to grow food. This is the future of farming, and it's happening now. Everyone needs to work together, farmers, scientists, and even the people who buy the food, to make farming better for everyone. In Bologna, Italy, there was a big event called EIMA 2024. It was like a giant fair for all the coolest new farming technology. There were robots that can drive, tractors and pick crops all by themselves. These robots can work day and night, which helps farmers grow more food. We also saw computers that use something called artificial intelligence, or AI. AI helps farmers understand the weather, the soil, and even how healthy their crops are. This helps them use just the right amount of water and fertilizer, which is good for the environment. Morocco is really good at growing delicious red fruits like strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. These fruits are enjoyed by people all over the world. Growing these fruits is important for Morocco because it helps the country make money and gives people jobs. But there are some challenges. Water is scarce in many parts of Morocco, so farmers need to find ways to use less water. The weather is also changing, so farmers need to find ways to grow their crops, even when the weather is hot and dry. Besides traditional farming, there are new and exciting ways to grow food. Have you ever heard of fish farming? It's called aquaculture, and it's a way to grow fish in a controlled environment. We can also grow food in forests. It's called agroforestry, and it's a way to grow trees and crops together. And some farmers are even growing truffles, which are a type of rare and delicious mushroom. All of these new ways of farming can help us grow more food, protect our environment, and create new jobs. As we look to the future, it's important to keep finding new and creative ways to grow food. By working together, we can make sure that everyone has enough to eat and that our planet stays healthy for generations to come. Have a happy and healthy end to the year. Agadir, a city in Morocco, was buzzing in November 2024. Why? The Morocco Berry Conference 2024. This wasn't just any meeting, it was a big announcement. Morocco, known for its farms, wanted to be a big name in berries. Over 600 people from 30 countries came to Agadir. Farmers, sellers, scientists, and berry experts all wanted the same thing: to make the berry business a success. They talked about what's happening in the market, new technology, and the best ways to use resources. They didn't just talk about today, they talked about the future. Morocco has good land and weather for growing berries. Everyone felt excited. People all over the world, especially in Europe, North America, and Asia, want more and more berries like blueberries and raspberries. These healthy and tasty berries are super popular. This gives Moroccan farmers a great chance to sell lots of berries. The conference also talked about problems like not enough water, changes in the weather, and competition, but everyone felt hopeful. Moroccan berry farmers are tough and smart, ready to find new ways to do things. Why are berries so popular? Thomas Drafferad, the boss of NCX Drafferad, explained. The berry business is booming. Blueberries and raspberries are the most popular. Their bright colors, sweet taste, and healthy stuff inside make them a favorite everywhere. Drafferad talked about why everyone loves berries. People want healthy food, and berries are full of good things called antioxidants. Also, people want fresh, good quality fruit all year round. Morocco can grow berries for a long time each year, which is perfect. But other countries like Spain, Portugal, Chile, and Peru also grow berries. They already sell to many places. So Moroccan farmers need to be special. Drafferad said quality is super important. People want big, similar-sized berries that stay fresh for a long time. Taste is important too. Sweet and yummy berries are what people want. The conference wasn't just about problems, it was about finding answers. Experts from around the world shared their ideas. The message was clear: try new things, work together, and focus on quality. Growing new types of berries is important. These new berries need to grow well and they need to be strong against bugs, sickness and bad weather. Scientists need to keep learning new things about berries. Getting berries to stores quickly and safely is also important. We need new technology for boxes, storage and trucks. Having special certificates that show our berries are good quality and grown in a good way will help us sell more. Selling the berries is also important. We need to show why Moroccan berries are special. We can use the internet to tell everyone about our great berries. The conference ended with hope. Morocco can be great at growing berries, but we need to change and adapt. By trying new things, being good to the environment and working together, Moroccan berries can be everyone's favorite. Hey everyone, welcome to an exciting journey. Farming in Morocco is changing in a big way and it's truly inspiring to see. The Agadir Horticultural Complex is leading the charge in this transformation. This awesome project shows how much Morocco cares about modern, earth-friendly farming practices. Moroccan and Dutch experts are working together on this groundbreaking initiative. They want to make growing fruits and vegetables even better with cool technology, smart ways of farming, and helpful training programs. The Agadir Horticultural Complex is like a shining example of new ideas and innovation. It shows how farming in Morocco can be stronger and grow more food efficiently. Inside the complex, there's a special horticultural center of excellence, a true gem. It's like a central hub for sharing new ideas and learning innovative techniques. It helps farmers learn modern ways to grow fruits and vegetables so they can do even better and more efficiently. This project is making a big difference, not just inside the complex, but all over the surrounding area. It's part of a bigger plan to modernize farming in Morocco and make it more sustainable. The goal is to make farming tougher and better for the planet, ensuring long-term success. This is super important because of problems with the environment and the economy which need urgent solutions. The Agadir Horticultural Complex isn't just about buildings and equipment, it's about the future of farming in Morocco and beyond. By using new ideas and taking care of the planet, the complex is showing other places what to do and how to do it. This project will change how things are done, help the economy grow and make life better for people in the region. It shows how much Morocco wants a better future for its people and the planet. Let's check out the amazing greenhouse. At the heart of the Agadir Horticultural Complex is a super cool greenhouse made of glass which stands out with its modern design. It opened in 2023 and is all about growing tomatoes, aiming to revolutionize the way we farm. It's like a science lab where experts try out new ways of farming, experimenting with innovative techniques. The greenhouse shows how technology can change farming, using resources wisely and growing lots of food efficiently. One of the coolest things about this greenhouse is its special watering system, which is highly efficient. It reuses water, so there's very little waste, making it environmentally friendly. It only needs 5 liters of water to grow a kilogram of tomatoes, which is incredibly efficient. Most farms around here need 70 liters, so this saves a lot of water, making a huge difference. This is really important in a place where water isn't always easy to find, like arid regions. The greenhouse also has lots of sensors which are crucial for monitoring. These sensors keep track of things like temperature, how much moisture is in the air, and how much light there is, ensuring optimal conditions. The sensors send the information to a computer, which then automatically adjusts the greenhouse's systems for the best results. This makes sure the plants are as happy as can be, thriving in their environment. This smart farming helps grow more tomatoes and saves resources, making it a win-win situation. It's a big step forward in agricultural technology. The greenhouse has other cool features too, adding to its innovative design. It has a special misting system and shades to keep the temperature and humidity just right, even when it's super hot outside, ensuring plant health. It also has a system that adds CO2 to the air, which helps plants grow bigger and faster, boosting productivity. The greenhouse uses clever design and new technology to make a perfect place for plants to grow, showcasing the future of farming. Let's learn about how they farm here, sustainability at its core practices and principles. Let's see how they teach and inspire the next generation of farmers, empowering future generations' training and research. Biostimulants are an exciting development in agriculture. They are substances that help plants grow stronger and healthier. Unlike fertilizers, they don't directly provide nutrients. Instead, they improve the plant's natural processes. This helps plants cope with stress and make the most of available resources. Biostimulants are becoming increasingly important. The world needs to produce more food sustainably. Biostimulants offer a way to do this. They can help farmers grow more food with less environmental impact. This is crucial as the global population continues to grow and the demand for food rises. Biostimulants are a vital tool for ensuring food security in the future. They can help us meet the needs of a growing population. The biostimulant market is experiencing rapid growth. This is driven by the increasing demand for sustainable agriculture. Farmers are looking for ways to reduce their environmental impact. Biostimulants provide a solution. In 2022, the global biostimulants market was valued at around $3 billion. It is projected to reach $9.5 billion by 2032. This represents a significant increase. The annual growth rate is estimated to be 10.5% from 2023 to 2032. This growth is fueled by several factors. Consumers are increasingly interested in sustainable products. Governments are implementing policies to promote sustainable agriculture, and technological advancements are making biostimulants more effective. Biostimulants offer a wide range of benefits for sustainable farming. They can improve nutrient uptake. This means that plants can access the nutrients they need more efficiently. This can lead to reduced fertilizer use. Biostimulants can also enhance stress tolerance. Plants are often exposed to stresses such as drought, heat, and salinity. Biostimulants can help plants to cope with these stresses. This can lead to improved yields. There are two main categories of biostimulants, microbial and non-microbial. Microbial biostimulants include beneficial bacteria and fungi. These microorganisms can improve soil health and nutrient availability. Non-microbial biostimulants include humic acids, seaweed extracts, and protein hydrolysates. These substances can stimulate plant growth and improve stress tolerance. Biostimulants can be applied in various ways, including foliar, seed, and soil treatments. Despite the promising potential of biostimulants, there are still some challenges. One challenge is the cost. Biostimulants can be more expensive than traditional agricultural inputs. Another challenge is the lack of awareness. Many farmers are not yet familiar with biostimulants. More education and outreach are needed. However, there are also significant opportunities. Innovation is leading to new and improved biostimulants. Governments are increasingly supporting the use of biostimulants. The future of biostimulants is bright. They have the potential to transform agriculture. Biostimulants can help us produce more food, more sustainably. They are an essential tool for feeding a growing population. High up in the Atlas Mountains of Morocco is Azrou, a beautiful place known for its farms. Farmers here used to grow grains and beans, but now they're growing more apples. Apple orchards full of pretty flowers are everywhere. This was supposed to be good for the local economy, but there's a problem. Even with healthy trees and lots of flowers, they're not getting many apples. Why? It's all about pollination. You see those bees buzzing around? They're super important. They carry pollen from flower to flower, which helps the trees make apples. Without bees, no apples. In Azrou, there aren't enough bees, and that's a big problem. Let's learn more about bees and flowers and how they help apples grow. Pollination is how plants make more plants. It's like magic, and it's how we get food. For apple trees, pollination is super important. Apple trees can't pollinate themselves. They need pollen from a different kind of apple tree. Bees help with that. When a bee visits a flower, it gets covered in pollen. Then, when it goes to the next flower, some of that pollen rubs off. That's pollination. This helps the flower make seeds and grow into an apple. Without enough bees, apple trees don't make many apples, and the apples they make might be small or weird looking. That's bad news for farmers because they don't make as much money. So, bees are really important for growing apples. The problem with bees in Azrou isn't simple. It's like a puzzle with lots of pieces. One big piece is that there just aren't as many bees anymore. Cities and farms are taking over the places where bees live. Farmers use sprays to keep bugs away from their crops, but these sprays can also hurt bees, and the weather is changing, which makes it hard for bees to survive. There's a hot, dry wind in Morocco called the chergi. This wind can dry out the pollen, so it doesn't work anymore. It also makes it hard for bees to fly. All these things together are making it tough for bees in Azru. So what can we do? We need to help the bees. Farmers, beekeepers, and scientists need to work together. One thing we can do is plant more apple trees that are good for pollination. Remember, apple trees need pollen from different kinds of apple trees. We also need more beekeepers. We can give them land and teach them how to take care of bees. Farmers can use fewer sprays, especially when the apple trees are flowering. There are other ways to keep bugs away that don't hurt bees. We can also plant flowers that bees like near the apple trees. This gives them food even when the apple trees aren't flowering. Helping the bees isn't just about apples. It's about making sure everyone has enough to eat and protecting nature.